Are you looking for the most spectacular experience? Visiting the most jaw-dropping wonders of nature, see falling waters from the sky at its full force, waterfalls are white-knuckle to stand under, and there are some that are simply awe-inspiring to watch. To enjoy the breathtaking natural attractions that are world famous for their magnificence, why don't you hit the like button to subscribe our channel and to notify with our next video. We have listed top 10 world's famous and most visited waterfalls that you can be sure to add to your travel bucket list. Number 1. Iguazu Falls, Puerto Iguazu, Argentina, or Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil. The waterfalls actually consist of some 275 individual waterfalls and cascades. One of the most important destinations in Argentina, Brazil, and South America, spanning a distance of an incredible 2 kilometers in its average flow of 1,000 cubic meters per second. UNESCO declared as World Heritage Site in 1984. Millions of visitors fascinated by the landscape and sound of this natural attraction. The rainforest surroundings made the scenery feels right for a natural attraction. Number 2. Niagara Falls, USA and Canada, North America. On the border of Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA, Niagara Falls is undoubtedly the world's most famous waterfalls. At 51 meters high, it is certainly not the tallest. However, the Niagara Falls is made up of 3 waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls, combining to produce the highest flow rate of any waterfall on Earth. Naturally, this is a great source of hydropower and produces an incredible amount of electricity for millions of people every day. Niagara Falls can be enjoyed by boat, helicopter, or on foot. Number 3. Angels Falls or Salto Angel, Canaima, Venezuela. Located in Ollantaytambo, Canaima National Park, Bolivar State, Venezuela is the world's tallest waterfall in the world. Falling from a height of 979 meters, it is named after Jimmy Angel from USA. The waterfall is 15 times higher than Niagara Falls, which has a height of 52 meters. When the water levels are high enough between June and December, visitors can take river trips and feel the mist of waterfalls as they journey upriver. Dropping over the edge of Untitled Mountain, the Angel Falls is truly one of the most spectacular sights in the world. Number 4. Victoria Fall or Mosi-Oa-Tunya, Livingstone, Zambia, Victoria Fall, Zimbabwe. Known as Mosi-Oa-Tunya, in the road Livingstone, Zambia, the stunning African waterfall is neither the tallest nor most voluminous waterfall in the world. Measuring 1,708 meters across and boasting an average flow rate of 1,088 cubic meters per second, Victoria Falls is so vast and impressive that rainbows often form in its spray, comprising 4 main channels: Devil's Cataract, Main Falls, Rainbow Falls, and Eastern Cataract. And flowing into the Zambezi River, Victoria Falls is visited by approximately 2.5 million tourists every year. It's no wonder this smoke that thunders is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 5. Kaieteur Falls, Potaro River, Guyana. Located in Amazon rainforest, the Kaieteur Falls is the largest single-drop waterfall in the world when we compare the volume of water flowing over it. The tallest single-drop waterfalls in the world, this rectangular-shaped monster has 741 feet tall and 370 feet wide, sat on the crest of the ancient Guyana Shield, amidst some of the most pristine rainforests on Earth. Kaieteur is one of the most powerful and majestic waterfalls in the world. Number 6. Gulfoss, Iceland. Once a privately owned waterfalls, the Gulfoss is now state-owned and one of the most famous tourist destinations in Iceland. Part of the Golden Circle, the waterfall is 105 feet high and plunges in two dramatic stages, the first cascade being 36 feet and the second drop being 69 feet. Ultimately, the Gulfoss is an Icelandic treasure which will create memories worth treasuring. Number 7. Yosemite Falls, North America. At a height of more than 2,425 feet, Yosemite Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in North America. It flows approximately November until July with peak flow in May. Yosemite Falls is actually made up of three separate falls: Upper Yosemite Falls, 1,430 feet, and Middle Cascade, 675 feet, and Lower Yosemite Falls, 320 feet. You can see Yosemite Falls from numerous places around Yosemite Valley, especially around Yosemite Village and Yosemite Valley Lodge. Number 8. Tugela Falls, South Africa. Tugela Falls in South Africa is located in the Drakensberg within the Royal Natal National Park. The combined total drop of its 5 distinct free-leaping falls is 948 meters, and it is accepted as the world's second tallest waterfall. Tugela is a phonetic spelling of the word Tugela Zulu, meaning sudden or startling. There are 2 trails to the falls from within the park, and the second trail's means of access follows the Tugela River upstream through the Tugela Gorge. This trail is 7 kilometers in length, and the gradient is not so steep in the first trail. The trailhead is roughly 1,585 meters above sea level. Number 9. Gocta Waterfall, Peru. One of Peru's most be explored natural wonders, the Gocta Waterfall, known as Catarata de Gocta in Spanish, and is one of northern Peru's finest natural gems. The waterfall stands at an impressive 771 meters high and is located close to Chachapoyas, one of the gateways to the Peruvian jungle. The cloud forest is a wonderful setting for the trek, and the views around the waterfalls are stunning. Hummingbirds are frequent visitors to the radiant forest, as are howless monkeys, although these animals are very good at hiding. Number 10. Kurşunlu Falls, Turkey. The Kurşunlu Falls is not just a captivating waterfall experience, but also a wildlife experience. Located in the heart of Kurşunlu Waterfall Nature Park and surrounded by cool pine forest, the falls offer a visual feast for visitors wishing to swim, see endemic plants, and observe animal wildlife of birds, turtles, lizards, and more. A lesser-known but equally unique atmosphere scented with blackberries, wild roses, and other plants. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other recent clips for couples Wanderlust, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.